Let's take a look at some of the concepts we just learned about regarding hashing. I went to an online hashing calculator website. There are a bunch of them. This one happens to be my favorite. And I'm going to enter into the hashing algorithm the string bob. I'm going to click the hash button and scroll on down to see all of the message digests that were simultaneously calculated. As we discussed, the longer the output, the more secure the hashing algorithm. So I'm going to grab the SHA-256 output for the bob plain text password. Not a very good password that was selected by some user. I'm going to paste that resultant hash inside of my text editor. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a website and copy a bunch of text. I'm going to get all of this text. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to enter all of that text into the same hashing algorithm. We're going to hash that entire article. We're going to once again grab our SHA-256 message digest. And we're going to paste it right below the hash of bob. As you can see, even though the first input was significantly shorter than the second output, the size of the message digests, the output of the hashing algorithm, exactly the same. Let's go back to our hashing input. And instead of bob in all lowercase letters, I'm going to capitalize the first letter. I'm going to run that plain text, also a bad choice for a password, through the hashing algorithms. And I'm going to grab the SHA-256 hash once again. Let's see how it compares to the original bob. The first row contains the hash of the original bob, and now the second row contains the hash of the bob where I uppercase the first character. As you can see, I changed the lowercase b to an uppercase b, and the resultant hashes, they're radically different. As another practical example, I've gone to the Kali Linux downloads page. In a future class, we're going to be using this Linux distribution, so it makes sense to download it. I want to download the Kali Linux 64-bit ISO, and the developers have attached the hash, hashed with the SHA-1 algorithm. I want to make sure that nobody's replaced the file underneath the hood to give me something else. I also want to make sure that the file that I download isn't corrupted in transit on its way to my machine. In fact, I've already downloaded this file, and I've uploaded the file to another online hash calculator. And as you can see, the calculated hash matches the hash that the Kali developers have published on their website. I can feel safe and secure knowing now that the file that I got is the file they wanted me to have. I also know that no bits have been changed, either accidentally or maliciously, in transit to my machine.